good, you alright?
Yeah, good, just your camping one, mate, that's all. Yeah, perfect. Jump down for us.
Straight down.
Nice one. So, Nick, have a good one.
Cheers, buddy.
No worries, see you later.
Thank you, cheers. We're in. Now that's usually what we do when we just pull into Brands Hatch. We just pull straight in the car park. They give us the tickets, the really nice marshals, and we just go straight to the campsite. But never mind. I don't mind waiting. We're British, we like to queue, don't we? So that's us all set up for the weekend. Weather's not much better, but it'll do. That's me heading over to the track now. We're gonna have a look round. Campsite's all done, set up, all cosy over there. Now, by the sounds of it, the bikes have just started, so we might be able to get into the paddock. Not the real paddock. When you're at Brands Hatch, you can't get into the main BSB pit lane. It's just closed off, unlike other tracks like Alton Park and Snetterton. You can go actually into the pit lane and almost speak to the riders. You get right at the back of the garages, but here you can't. But what they do have here is access to the paddock where all the support riders are, all the support classes. So that's really exciting because you get to see the real nitty-gritty of how they fix the bikes and prepare them for the racing. So yeah, something I really enjoy having a look around there. So we're going to go in, give our ticket over, and go and have a look around. So it's been declared a wet race, so I'm just going to head up to what is a decent corner, see if we can get some action up there. It's also, I want to try and hide under these trees, but I'll tell you something, it's quite cool. Look at these guys over here. See the guys up at the fence? They're actually in their back garden. What a great view they've got for free. And as you can see, we're in the lower paddock now. This is something that's slightly separate from the main BSB paddock. You can't get in there. Unlike other tracks like Alton Park and what's the other one, Snetterton, I think you can get right on the back of the pit garage and see all the action going on. Like literally as they take their bikes out the garage onto the track for the main race, you can go and watch them do that. Unfortunately at Brands Hatch you can't. The main paddock, the main pit area is completely separate to sort of everything else. So unless you've got a pass, you can't get in there, so that's a bit unfortunate. I don't have a pass this weekend, but I don't need it. You can come here, which is behind me, is the support class paddock, and there's so many support classes in this series that you can spend all day looking around these tents, and it's the mechanics that are doing all the behind scenes stuff that you don't see when you see the racing. You know, they're fixing the bikes. Unfortunately, if one gets dropped, they're having to get it in and rush to get it repaired, and they're just maintaining these things. all stuff that I find real highly fascinating, and it's one of my, like, the biggest reasons I like to come to Brands Hatch, and it's one of my favourite things to do, to walk around this paddock and just have a look. And quite often you'll see the British Superbike riders come whizzing past. You can say hello if they want to stop and say hello, give them a high five or whatever. But just looking around this paddock is so exciting. Like, it was always my dream to be a racer when I was younger, and I obviously never made it. So to see these boys in there getting their levers on their bikes and their mechanics doing their stuff, I find that like mega. So let's go and have a look round, and I'll show you some of the tents and see if we can see the mechanics getting busy. That was the BSB rider, Tommy Bridewell. That one there for you, Trevor. My brother Trevor is a massive Tommy Bridewell fan, so that one's for you, buddy.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Well, good morning. Welcome to day 2 at well, it's actually day 3 for us. Day 3 at Brands Hatch. This is race day, so we've gone through the practice days and the qualifying day yesterday, and now this is race day. We're just waiting for our first race to come on behind us. Yeah, the weather's absolutely perfect. It looks cloudy, but that's really what you need here, because we sit at a corner called Druids, which is up the top. If the sun's out, you get absolutely baked. So to have a little bit of cloud is perfect today. And being a Brands Hatch weekend, yeah, it's a bit of a party, so we've all got sore heads. We all drank a bit too much last night and done a bit too much dancing, so yeah. Sit up here in the overcast, cloudy conditions is absolutely lovely. But anyway, we're going to take a wander down to the paddock again today. I didn't get much footage yesterday because it was raining. And the truth was I couldn't be asked to get the camera out when it was pouring down and rain, and I'm sat underneath a plastic sheet. So we'll have a little wander down there in a minute and have a look, see if we can see some of the riders and some of the mechanics doing their thing. Yeah, and then it's just for the rest of the afternoon we're going to enjoy the racing. There's racing from 11:30 onwards, so we're going to pitch up down here and see if we can get some action for you on the track. You see behind me now, the bike's just coming around in their green flag lap, so I'm going to go across in a minute. Yeah, we're going to head off a little bit earlier this afternoon because trying to get out of Brands Hatch sometimes can take about 2 or 3 hours after the second race. And I'm going to try and avoid that. We're off to Spain tomorrow, so I can rest my weary Brands Hatch head for a few days. And yeah, just by leaving a bit earlier, we can get out of the car park and we can make sure we're not here till 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, we're just going to watch the best of the racing, watch the first British Superbike race and then head off. But it's been an amazing weekend. I've really enjoyed spending some time with my 2 boys. I don't get to see my eldest that often because he's at uni, so it's been really great to see him this weekend. And they've been coming in since they were kids and they absolutely love him. So it's nice to see them as excited now as they were when they were in they were 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, we've had a really cracking weekend, and thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the action that I've put on the camera. And yeah, we're going to just get heading off, and well, we're not going to head off now, we're going to be watching the racing, but I'm going to say bye now, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. And if you like the racing, if you like the content, give us a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that really helps us make the next videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
On the power side Suzuki, the most recent winner in this class goes to the sharp end with a double overtake on the brakes. Durham, who leads from Castle. commitment